Nitong nakaraang August 13 ay ipinagdiwang ng anak nila Baron Geisler at Nadia Montenegro na si Sofia Asistio ang kanyang ika-18th birthday, at nito lang nakaraang linggo nang idinaos ang kanyang bonggang birthday celebration. Masayang nag-celebrate ng debut si Sofia kasama ang kanyang mommy Nadia Montenegro, mga kapatid at ilang malalapit na kaibigan ng pamilya. Spotted sa naturang party sila Lotlot De Leon, Arlene Mulak, Maricel Soriano, Pancho Magno at marami pang iba. Samantala binati naman ni Baron Geisler ang anak na si Sofia. Sa Instagram ibinahagi ni Baron ang kanyang video message sa anak. "Hey you, just wanna greet you, happy birthday," say ni Baron.
"Hey you, just wanna greet you, happy birthday."
Walang binanggit na pangalan si Baron pero kasabay ng greeting ang mga post ni Nadia ukol sa birthday ni Sofia. Nitong nakaraang buwan, isinapubliko ni Nadia na anak ni Baron si Sofia, sabay dagdag na alam ito ng kanyang namayapang partner na si dating Caloocan Mayor Boy Asistio.
Different, it's so beautiful.
Beautiful,
It's still you.
Asistio! Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan.
Shine your diamond, but remember who you are.
Yun ang message niya?
Enjoy life, okay? Always remember that todo na po. Yes! Happy birthday! Many, many more birthdays to come. Come with me from room for me. Go, 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 enjoy life. happy birthday. I love you, and I'll be here for you. Here, there, and everywhere. Yes, see you. God bless. Yes! Happy birthday! For me, we should grow. Talaga ma-enjoy mo ng todo ang life. Kaya, enjoy. Yes, happy birthday. I love you. See you soon. Bakit ka na talaga, hindi na talaga. Anak. I'm so proud.
Wala bang alcohol? Hindi, bakit ano matalis ka?
Happy birthday. Dapat pupunta ako kasi napunta ka ako sa Nadia para pupuntahin kita kasi may sa Ulian Sumbati, sa Ipa. So, see you soon at Ulian Birthday tayo. At happy birthday tayo. See you more blessings at siyempre, see you.
Okay, go, Giselle. Ha? So, happy birthday. I love you forever and ever. Amen. I love you.
Sila, Asistio. And, no, did you know, kanina nagpakita tayo ng OBP video. Kung mapapansin nyo, merong kumakanta doon kanina sa video. It is just a surprise. And I'm honored to tell you that that was actually our birthday celebration.